Hello children's, chapter 9, money, exercise 9a, question number 1. Here is the menu of a restaurant. Prepare the bill for the customer who have eaten at the restaurant. Children, this is the menu. Now start the question. Now prepare the bill. First is veg cutlet. Quantity is 2. Cost is veg cutlet is rupees 10 25 पैसे 10 rupees 25 पैसे. Total cost is 10 rupees 25 पैसे multiply by 2. Okay, 10 rupees 25 पैसे multiply by 2. 2 5s are 10, 0 write down this place, 1 carry, 2 2s are 4, add 1 5, 2 zeros are 0, 2 1s are 2, 1 2 2 डिजिट्स के बाद डेसिमल पॉइंट है तो आप 1 2 डिजिट के बाद क्या लगाएंगे, डेसिमल पॉइंट. द टोटल कॉस्ट इज 20 रुपीज 50 पैसे. राइट 20 रुपीज 50 पैसे. नेक्स्ट इज फिंगर चिप्स. क्वांटिटी इज 2 and the cost is rupees 8. Write rupees 8. Total cost is 8 multiplied 2, that is rupees 16. Okay, next is milkshake. Quantity is 3 and the cost is rupees 7 and 40 paise. Firstly write cost 7 rupees 40 paise and the total cost is rupees 7.40 multiply by 3. 3 zeros are 0, 3 4s are 12, 2 write down this place, 1 carry, 3 7s are 21, add 1 22, 1 2 2 डिजिट्स के बाद डेसिमल पॉइंट है तो आप 1 2 डिजिट के बाद डेसिमल पॉइंट लगाएंगे. योर टोटल कॉस्ट इज 22 rupees and 20 पैसे. राइट 22 rupees 20 पैसे. ओके, नेक्स्ट आइटम इज कॉफी. क्वांटिटी इज 4. कॉस्ट ऑफ कॉफी rupees 3. टोटल कॉस्ट 3 multiply 4 rupees 12. Okay children, this is the answer. Next is soap. Quantity is 4. Cost of soap 30. Firstly write cost 30. Total cost is 30 multiply 4. Your total cost is 120 rupees. Okay. Next is juice. Quantity is 2. Cost of juice rupees 15. Write 50. Total cost is rupees 30. Okay, next is pizza. Quantity is 4. Cost of pizza rupees 14. Write rupees 14. Total cost is 14 multiply 4 rupees 56. Next is ice cream. Quantity is 5. Cost of ice cream rupees 11.25. Find out the total cost. 11.25 multiply by 5. Rupees 11.25 multiply by 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 write down this place, 2 carry. 5 2s are 10. Add 2 12. 2 write down this place, 1 carry. 5 1s are 5. Add 1 6. 5 1s are 5. चिल्ड्रंस 1 2 2 डिजिट्स के बाद डेसिमल पॉइंट है. इट मीन्स आप 2 डिजिट्स के बाद क्या लगाएंगे, डेसिमल पॉइंट. टोटल कॉस्ट इज 56 रुपीज 25 पैसे. राइट 56 रुपीज 25 पैसे. दिस इज द आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. प्रिपेयर बिल फॉर शॉपिंग एट डिफरेंट विनर्स. स्टेशनरी शॉप 3 notebook at rupees 12.55 each. इट मीन्स वन नोटबुक की आपको कॉस्ट गिवन है, आपको टोटल कॉस्ट फाइंड आउट करनी पड़ेगी। नेक्स्ट दिया हुआ है 4 पेंसिल एट ₹2.75 ईच एंड 3 इरेजर एट ₹3.50 each. Prepare the bill. First is notebook. Quantity is 3. Cost is ₹12.55. Total cost is ₹12.55 multiply by 3. Write ₹12.55 multiply by 3. 3 5s are 15. 5 write down this place, 1 carry. 3 5s are 15. Add 1, 16. 6 write down this place, 1 carry. 3 2s are 6. Add 1, 7. 3 1s are 3. Total cost is ₹37.65. Write ₹37.65. Okay. Next is pencil. Number of quantity 4. Cost is ₹2.75. Total cost is ₹2.75 multiply by 4. ₹2.75 multiply by 4. 4 5s are 20. 0 write down this place, 2 carry. 4 7s are 28. Add 2, 30. 0 write down this place, 3 carry. 4 2s are 8. Add 3, 11. 2 डिजिट्स के बाद डेसिमल पॉइंट है तो आप 2 डिजिट्स के बाद डेसिमल पॉइंट लगाएंगे. योर आंसर इज ₹11. राइट ₹11. नेक्स्ट इज इरेजर. Quantity is 3. Cost is ₹3.50. Total cost is ₹3.50 multiply by 3 equal to ₹3.50 multiply by 3. 3 zeros are 0. 3 5s are 15. 5 write down this place, 1 carry. 3 3s are 9. Add 1, 10. Decimal point. Total cost is ₹10.50. Write ₹10.50. Okay. Next is sweet shop. 8 rasgulle at ₹3.25 each. 6 pieces sundaes at ₹2.50 each. 9 pieces wheat halwa at ₹5.15 each. 8 pieces gulab jamun at ₹4.95 each. Prepare a bill. First is rasgulla. Quantity is 8. Cost is ₹3.25. Total cost is ₹3.25 multiply 8. ₹3.25 multiply by 8. 8 5s are 40. 0 write down this place, 4 carry. 8 2s are 16. Add 4, 20. 0 write down this place, 2 carry. 8 3s are 24. Add 2, 26. Total cost is ₹26. Write ₹26. Okay. Next item is sundaes. Quantity is 6. Cost is $2.50. Total cost is $2.50 multiply by 6. 2.50 multiply by 6. 6 zeros is 0. 6 5s are 30. 0 write down this place, 3 carry. 6 2s are 12. Add 3, 15. ₹15. Total cost is 15. Next is wheat halwa. Quantity is 9. cost is 5.15. Total cost is 5.15 multiply by 9. Rupees 5.15 multiply by 9. 9 5s are 45. 5 write down this place, 4 carry. 9 1s are 9. Add 4, 13. 3 write down this place, 1 carry. 9 5s are 45. Add 1, 46. Decimal point. Rupees 46 and 35 paise. Rupees 46.35. Next is gulab jamun. Quantity is 8. Cost is 4.95 and total cost is rupees 4.95 multiply by 8. 4.95 multiply by 8. 8 5s are 40. 0 write down this place, 4 carry. 8 9s are 72. Add 4, 76. 8 4s are 32. Add 7, 39. Decimal point. Rupees 39.60. Well, total cost is rupees 39.60. This is the answer. Okay, children. Thank you.